Join me as I dive into the mysterious world of cats and try to uncover the secrets behind their spiritual power. Cats have long been considered to be spiritual animals, with a unique connection to the mystical realm. Many of us have experienced their calming presence, their intuitive nature, and their ability to sense our emotions. But what is it about cats that gives them this special power? Many people dismiss the idea of cats having spiritual power, thinking it's just a bunch of superstition with no scientific basis. They might say it's just our imagination, that we're anthropomorphizing our pets, giving them human-like qualities they don't really possess. But I think there's more to it than that. I think our skepticism is rooted in a lack of understanding, a lack of willingness to explore the unknown. We're so caught up in the rational, scientific world that we forget to tap into our intuition, to listen to our instincts. When we do take the time to observe cats, to really pay attention to their behavior, we start to notice strange occurrences. Cats seem to sense when we're feeling down, when we're upset or anxious. They'll curl up next to us, purring softly, as if to comfort us. They'll stare intensely at something we can't see, their ears perked up, as if they're tuning into a frequency we're not privy to. And then there are the countless stories of cats predicting seizures, detecting cancer, or sensing supernatural presences. These experiences are hard to ignore, and yet we do. We write them off as coincidence, as mere chance. But what if these experiences are actually glimpses into a world beyond our own, a world that cats have access to? What if their spiritual power is real, and we're just not willing to see it? In many cultures, cats have been revered for their spiritual significance. In ancient Egypt, cats were associated with the goddess Bastet, representing fertility, motherhood, and protection. In Japan, the Maneki Neko, a figurine of a cat with one paw raised, is believed to bring good luck and prosperity. And in modern-day folklore, black cats are often seen as omens of good or bad luck, depending on the culture. The common thread throughout these cultural beliefs is the understanding that cats possess a unique energy, one that's connected to the mysterious and the unknown. They're seen as messengers between the physical and spiritual realms, guides that can help us navigate the complexities of life. One powerful anecdote that illustrates cats' unique ability to sense emotions and energies is the story of a woman who suffered from debilitating anxiety attacks. Her cat, Luna, would always sense when she was about to have an attack, and would curl up next to her, purring softly, until the attack subsided. The woman credited Luna with saving her life, with being her emotional support system when she needed it most. Studies have also shown that cats have a unique ability to sense our emotions, to pick up on our energy. One study found that cats can detect changes in their owner's heart rate, and will often try to comfort them when they're feeling stressed or anxious. This ability to sense and respond to our emotions is a powerful display of their spiritual power. In another study, researchers found that cats can see in ultraviolet light, a spectrum invisible to humans. This means that they're perceiving their environment in a way that's completely foreign to us, a way that's beyond our comprehension. This ability to tap into a world beyond our own is a testament to their spiritual nature. So what can we conclude about cats and their spiritual power? That they possess a unique energy, one that's connected to the mysterious and the unknown. That they have the ability to sense our emotions, to tap into our energy, and to navigate the complexities of life. And that they're messengers between the physical and spiritual realms, guides that can help us navigate the unknown. And that's the reality of cats and their spiritual connections. Mysterious, yes, but undoubtedly real. So, have you had any experiences with cats that you can't explain? Do you believe they possess a spiritual power? Share your stories in the comments below, and if you want to explore more about animal spirituality, be sure to check out my next video. Thanks for watching.